Hello everyone. In today's short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to suggest that someone adds their date of birth to their Telegram account. This feature allows you to help your contacts complete their profile more easily. To do this, open the latest version of the Telegram app. Then open the chat with that contact and tap on their profile picture in the top left corner of the screen. Next, tap the three dots in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Edit Contact. A new option will appear on this screen, Suggest Date of Birth. Use the slider to select a date, and then tap the big blue button to send your suggestion. It's best to suggest the correct date of birth if you know it. This feature is great for keeping your contact list organized and helping your friends set up their profiles properly. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.